This is lowered, not by much, but this is on the side. On the other side. We're lowering the Volvo today, boys. Hello, big penis gang. So, there has been a break in programming. I haven't done anything at all. Yes, I haven't been doing anything in secret. So the Volvo's getting a turbo. And I've got all the parts minus one, which I'm getting tomorrow. So, that should be good. I got some parts. Turbo ECU and a turbo ICU. These control the injectors so they don't clean, rich out, etc. Red top injectors. Nice injectors, they're the perfect flow rate. Like, they're basically the same as the stock turbo injectors. There's not really much to it aside from the two computers and getting the right injectors. This is the oil line that I got. This is going to be the feed. Undo this, then you get a new adapter piece, or a new oil drain adapter piece, and Bob's your uncle. Well, I mean, unless Bob isn't your uncle, then he's not, but yeah, I have got all the bits. This feed adapter basically just bolts straight onto the turbo. Very, very nice. Banjo bolt fits. You have to get a oddly large size for some reason, but you know, it works. I've worked out the tubing, hosing, all that shit, etc. And yeah, very excited to see what the future brings.